Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging a lot of Messenger users: the Notes feature not showing up. Whether you're on iOS, Android, or even the web version, this problem can be a real headache, especially with the latest updates in 2025. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through quick and easy fixes that could get everything back on track in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Outdated apps often cause glitches like this. Head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any pending updates. Install them if available, then reopen Messenger and see if the Notes feature appears. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or restart their device to achieve a similar effect. This clears out any temporary files that could be causing the issue. Next, a simple restart can work wonders. Close the Messenger app completely and restart your phone or computer. Sometimes, a fresh start resolves minor bugs without any extra effort. Now, let's check your app permissions. Go to your device settings, find Messenger in the app list, and ensure it has permission to access your storage and notifications. Without these, features like Notes might not load properly. If you're still facing problems, try logging out of Messenger and logging back in. This can refresh your session and fix authentication issues. To do this, tap your profile picture in the app, scroll down, and select Log Out. Then, log back in with your credentials. As a last resort, if none of these steps help, it might be a server-side issue. Head over to Facebook Help Center or contact Messenger support directly through their website. They can provide more personalized assistance. There you have it. Straightforward solutions to get your Messenger Notes feature working again in 2025. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay connected.